If you want to find out the highest or the lowest value, you can either use the max or the min function. However, if you want to find out the second, third, fourth, or the nth largest or lowest value, then max and min do not work. There are two very useful functions, large and small. They help us achieve that with ease. Let's take a look at those. Here is the data that we have for units sold for laptops for a particular brand in different countries. If we want to find out the highest unit sold, we can use the max function. The formula is simple. Max, we provide the range B2 to B11 and we get the value as 48,400. Now, if you want to get the second largest value, we will use the large function. Let's see how. Large, array will be B2 to B11. For k, we will write 2 as we want to find the second highest value. As you can see, the second highest value in this data is 32,500 and that's what large returns. Now if we change the k value from 2 to 3, we will get the third highest value. Interestingly, if we change the k value to 1, then it returns the highest value. It works like the max function in that case. If I provide 0 or a negative value for k, then the function does not work. It only takes positive values. Similarly, if we want to see the smallest value, we can use the min function. If we do min with the range as B2 to B11, we get the smallest value, 14,000. If you want to see the second smallest value, we can use the small function. Small, for array we will provide B2 to B11 and 2 for k. And we get the value as 17,100. Just like large, if we provide the value of k as 1, it will return the smallest value. As you can see, the value it returns is 14,000, which is what the main function also returned. So that's how you easily find the highest, second highest, lowest, second lowest, and so on values using large and small functions. Thanks for watching.